Hi. It's a common question. Does TD offer Mastercard or Visa? The answer is both, but not in the way you might think. TD issues Visa for its personal credit cards in the US and some international locations. However, in Canada, TD primarily uses Visa for its personal credit cards, but it offers Mastercard for its business credit cards and some specific products. In the US, if you're looking for a TD credit card for personal use, you'll find it's a Visa card. This includes popular options like the TD Cash Visa card and the TD Double Up Visa card. The bank has a long-standing partnership with Visa to provide these products to its customers. However, in Canada, the story is a bit different. While most of their personal credit cards, such as the TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite Card and the TD First Class Travel Visa Infinite Card, are Visa cards, their business credit cards are typically Mastercards. For example, the TD Business Travel Visa Card is, despite its name, also a Visa card, but other TD business cards, like the TD Business Banking Mastercard, are Mastercards. So, if you're a business owner in Canada, you'll likely be dealing with a Mastercard from TD. This is a key distinction. The type of network, Visa or Mastercard, depends on the product type and, more importantly, the country where the card is issued. When it comes to debit cards, TD Canada Trust has a different approach. Their debit cards are primarily Visa debit. This allows you to use your debit card for online and international purchases wherever Visa is accepted, without using a credit card. It's a convenient feature that adds a lot of flexibility to your regular checking account. In the US, TD Bank debit cards also function on the Visa network. The network used, Visa or Mastercard, is the system that processes the transaction between the bank and the merchant. For you, the customer, the main difference lies in the specific benefits, rewards, and acceptance at different merchants. For example, some places might have a promotion with one network but not the other, but these days, most merchants accept both. So, to wrap it up. For personal credit cards in the US, TD issues Visa. For personal credit cards in Canada, TD predominantly issues Visa. For business credit cards in Canada, TD issues Mastercard for some products. For debit cards, TD in both the US and Canada uses Visa debit. This dual network approach allows TD to provide a wide range of products tailored to different customer needs, whether you're a student, a frequent traveler, or a business owner. Knowing which network your card is on can help you better understand the benefits and where you can use it, but for most people,